Today I'm going to be reviewing this cute emerald green romper. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, it has elastic all around. This is the top part of that romper, has this cute tie right here in the front. It is nice, it is breathable, it is lightweight. It is available in a variety of colors. So this is in the emerald green color, but it's available in white, in black, in brown, rusty red, many color options to choose from. I think this is perfect, especially for the holidays. I think this is a cute romper to wear maybe for Christmas, wear it throughout. It is so versatile. As you could see, it has these handcuffs right here. Go ahead and step back. As you can see in the middle section here, it also has some elastic. Nice elastic waistband. It is nice, it is flowy, and this is available in plus sizes. So it's available from sizes extra large all the way up to 4XL. All right, so let's go ahead and try it on. All right, as you could see, I have it on. I went ahead and tilted the camera a little bit just so you could see a full look as what this looks like on. Super cute. I am wearing a size extra large. For reference, I am 5'5", 200 pounds. But take a look, super cute. I love the elastic waistband in the middle, definitely giving you that silhouette. It is nice and flowy on the bottom. But take a look, it does have shorts underneath, and then this one over, so it does make it look like a nice dress. It is a little short, but you could always pair it up with some leggings, some tights underneath. Super cute, super lightweight, super flowy. And you could wear it like this, or you could actually wear it over your shoulders. Personally, I love the over the shoulder look. I like the cuff sleeves. Very, very nice. And like I mentioned, this is available in a variety of colors. You could dress this up, you could dress it down. I'm going to pair this up with some cowboy boots, and I am ready for the holidays. So overall, I'm quite impressed with the quality of the dress. It is so cute. I love how lightweight it is. I love that it's available in a variety of colors. Love the tie. I love the elastic waistband. I love the sleeves. Super, super cute. Definitely my style. I'm going to be wearing it this holiday season. If you'd like to check it out, I'll go ahead and leave it linked down below. Take a look at all the colors they have available and the different size selection. Also, make sure to look at the sizing chart for sizing options. And make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.